So let's talk about some basic formatting in Excel. Let's take a look at our column headings. We've got age, housing costs, and entertainment costs. One of the things that's totally useful to do is to apply the wrap text feature. Now I'm on the Home tab in Excel 2010. I want to apply wrap text to all of row 1. So I'm going to click on the number for row 1. That selected the entire row. And you'll notice there's a wrap text button up on the top under the Home tab. We'll click it and we've wrapped text. Wrapping text simply means that the column is now narrower, or can be made narrower, because the column headings have switched to being on two rows, two lines in the same row. Now, from the same menu bar, let's take a look at the different ways we can also format those individual headings. So if I want right justify, here we go, center, look at that, there's the center button, or left justify. Very familiar buttons to many of you word processing users. Up above those, we've got buttons that handle vertical alignment. So I'm going to watch the age, folks. This is the one. I want to float this to the top. That's the top align, middle align vertically, or back to the bottom. The choices are endless. Now those are the buttons that have appeared in Excel 2010. If you're more of a traditionalist and you've enjoyed Excel in the past, you could still right click on the highlighted area, go down to Format Cells, and the familiar Format Cells window will appear with vertical and horizontal alignment, the ability to wrap text. It's all there, folks. It hasn't changed a bit. So you can go for the new buttons up on the ribbon, or enjoy a right click, Format Cells, and go the traditional route. So that covers how you can wrap text in Excel. But let's say we need to do a couple more things here. What if we need to add a column? We'd like to add a column next to age. I'm simply going to right click on the column heading for age, column A, and go to insert and drop in a new column. If I'd like a column between housing costs and entertainment costs, I'll right click on column D for entertainment costs and go to insert, and I've added a blank there. The same story is true when it comes to adding in blank rows. I'm going to select row 1, right click, go to insert, and drop in a blank row. If I'd like to add 3 more blank rows, watch this. I'm going to highlight 3 rows on the left side, right click on the 3 rows that I highlighted, click insert, and it automatically inserts 3 blank rows. You highlight 3, you get 3. So that covers a little bit about inserting columns and inserting rows, as well as working with wrapping text and alignment in Microsoft Excel 2010. Thanks for watching.